The biggest financial risk you'll ever have is having one source of income. One source of income which is close to none. Imagine living in a world where you don't have any kind of income and you have to depend on the government or you have to depend on your friends. How horrible would that be? And in most cases, one source of income does not propel you to financial freedom. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through 7 steps of different income streams that you should aspire so that you can achieve financial freedom. My name is Lucy. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. The first income I will talk about is earned income. Most people have the privilege of getting to stage 1 of having a job and get an income. And one thing about that income, you should always strive to save some money, at least even if it's 10% of it, whether it's 20% or 50% of saving that money. We know most people are not happy in their jobs, but why? They can't leave their jobs because they're dependent on that income. They're suffering mentally, physically on that job because they don't have any other source of income. The second source is interest income. Interest income comes along when you invest your money from the earned income to either government bonds that will earn you some interest or different kind of products. Mutual funds, I have a video that I've talked about mutual funds where you earn at least maybe 5 to 7, 8% on your income and on your contribution to the mutual fund, or even a government bond. A government bond is one of the safest way to put your money, but the interest rates are usually like 2% or even 1% or even 3%. It just depends on time of the year. The third income is capital gains. Capital gains is where you buy a stock or share in the Nairobi Stock Exchange. Let's say example of Safaricom. I have Safaricom, when I bought it, it was around $20. Right now, Safaricom is around 38. Initially, it was around 45, but of course, because of economic downtime or up and down, it has gone down in value. But the biggest lesson in investing your money in the stock market is at least waiting for it for like 3 to 5 years for your principal to at least double from the interest rate that has increased. So by waiting for that period between Safaricom when it was 20 bob to around 45, that difference of 25 shillings or $25, depending on where you're watching this from, that's what we call capital gain. And capital gains is like passive income, okay? So it's not something that you've worked for, but you know very well a company like Safaricom in Kenya, it's the biggest telecommunication company. So you want to invest your money in something that you use every day and something that can propel you to a different stage in your life. Of course, you won't, like we've heard of different companies that have been have had corruption issues, I won't mention them, but you don't want to invest your money in such a company. You want to invest it into a company that you use every single day, and you can actually see on the news that they have good management, they have a clear strategy of where they're going. And another big example is Apple, the company Apple. Apple is a beautiful company to invest your money in, wherever you are from the different parts of the world, whether you're in Kenya or whether you're in a different country, okay? That is capital gains. Number 4, it's dividend income. Dividend income means that you've bought a stock, but this company has decided to give you a small token of appreciation every single quarter of the year or every single year to just appreciate you for investing your money in their company. So for example, Safaricom gave like, I think 1.29 shillings dividends against the share that I have. If, for example, the company decides that they're going to give you shares worth $2 or 2 Kenya shillings, and you have bought like 5,000 shares, that's gonna be 10,000 of dividend income. How else? That is the most craziest passive income that I've ever learned, and it is so easy. You just buy something, just sit, chill, wait for it every single quarter, okay? Number 5, it's business income. How wonderful. Business income is where you just open a business or a side hustle or something that will generate you more income than your earned income, because you must have like 50%, okay, 70% of us have a job, for example. So some of that money, use it to create a side hustle. You just have to have an idea, execute it, and make it work for you. Number 7 is royalties. Royalties or affiliate marketing. For example, when we were young, we used to go to different supermarkets and just try to sell a product to different people walking by, and we would earn some income, though it was like our main job. But right now, when you have all these stages of income and you have at least the basic one, which is earned income, you have the ability to generate affiliate income. Affiliate income for myself, because now I know about Amazon. Actually, when you just look in my description box, you see different links, or you see different YouTubers or people who are selling products on their Instagram pages, and they have a certain link where they put in their description box that says, oh, you can buy this product and I will earn a small affiliate, a small commission. So that is one of also the best way to earn income passively. Like it's passive, like you recommend people to buy this phone, for example, or whatever you have in your house. You can have your bag, your carpet, the Christmas tree, anything that you have, that will generate income. And by the way, just to tell you people, if you're watching this from wherever you are, Amazon is all over the world. So if you have products and you have a channel or you have an Instagram page or a Facebook page and you want to sell a product and you have followers, you can actually tell people to just buy through the affiliate link and they will get a commission out of it. You like act as the linkage between these two, so you get a commission out of it. How exciting is that? Is that even possible? It is possible. It's working for me. It should work for you. I don't see why you shouldn't start it. And I hope you get to understand that no, like one single income will, I think, absolutely never get you to financial freedom. I'm here to say, if you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Keep chasing for greatness, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.